Guys, today I'm going to go over a little bit on Vim and how to edit on a command line. So I'm already in a directory where I have saved my text file. So I'm going to go into that. Actually, I already have the command that I. So now I'm in a Vim. So here you can do a lot of stuff. So like I wrote here H to move left and L to move like to the right, and then up with the K and then down with the J. So you can use those keys. So if you want to like skip 2 lines down, then you can do 2J, and then if you want to do like 3 lines down, you can do again 3J, and if you want to move up 4 lines, you can do 4K. This will become quite useful if you don't want to skip, like go down line by line. And as we saw, as it's written here, there are a few commands that we can use to go up and like beginning of the line and end of line. So it's a little tricky, so I'm still trying to get a grasp on it. You just go back and forth with a few commands. So I believe it's 0 that will get us to the beginning of line. It's not, so it must be, yeah, either it's GG or it's 0. So, and now if you want to go to the end of line, then you hit $sign, and that will get you to that. And then if you hit big G, it will take you to the bottom. And then if you hit the $sign again, it will take you to the very end. And then if you want to go back to the beginning of line, you hit 0. Oh, yeah. And then if you want to go to the very top, then you hit GG, and that will get you to the top. And so yeah, like that. And if I want to go down 5 lines, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna keep going down. And one thing you can do is you can delete a whole line by doing just DD. You can keep deleting until you are done. Like I'm just gonna keep hitting DD like that. And then if you want to undo all what you did, then you can just hit U, and it will undo all the things you changed. So, and then if you want to go back to the insert mode and write something, then you can do that, like done, something like that. And then if you want to save, escape, and then write. And I want to quit out of that, so I'm back. Yep, I hope that helps.